Most job seekers think they're prepared for an interview until they realize they've already lost the job before saying a single word. Ever walked out of an interview thinking you did great, only to get ghosted? You're not alone. And here's the truth. Most candidates don't fail because they're unqualified. They fail because of how hiring managers perceive them. I know this because I've sat on hiring panels for over a decade, watching qualified candidates fumble opportunities. And I've been there too. Despite years of leading teams and making high-stakes decisions, I walked into interviews completely unprepared for what hiring managers actually wanted to hear. But I figured out the system, and today I'm giving it to you. By the end of this briefing, you'll know exactly how to avoid silent red flags, handle tricky questions, and fix the number one mistake that gets candidates rejected instantly without them even knowing why. Your interview starts before you say a word. Step 1, win before you walk in. Most people think they can wing it, but hiring managers can spot that a mile away. Here's an example mistake: not researching the company. Have you ever had an interviewer ask, "So what do you know about our company?" and you just gave a generic answer?
Candidate shows confidence with zero data. Likely watched one YouTube video. Red flag logged.
Something like, "Oh, I know you guys are a great company and I really love what you do." In that moment, the hiring manager is thinking, this person didn't even Google us. How to fix it? Before your interview, research the company's biggest challenges.
Intel acquisition protocol, active. Relevance confirmed.
Find out who their competitors are and what's happening in their industry. Then in your answer, connect what you've learned to how you can help. Example mistake: a weak star method answer. When they ask, "Tell me about a time you solved a problem," most people either freeze up or ramble. How to fix it? Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, results. Instead of just saying, "I worked on a project," say, situation, I led a team of 5. Task, to streamline operations. Action and result, reducing costs by 20%. So let's go over that again. Say, I led a team of 5 to streamline operations, reducing costs by 20%. Got it? Tenfold. Let's move on. Now that you prepared the right way, let's talk about the moment that really counts, your first 30 seconds. Because, like it or not, that's when hiring managers decide if they like you, period. First impression, the 30-second decision. Example mistake: the weak handshake and no eye contact. You walk in, shake their hand, mumble, "Nice to meet you," and sit down quickly.
Energy levels, low. Eye contact, unstable. Confidence projection, insufficient.
The energy in the room, flat. How to fix it? Walk in with energy, make eye contact.
Candidate has entered the room. Confidence reestablished.
Shake hands firmly. Speak with clarity. "Great to meet you. I'm excited to be here." Example mistake: rambling, telling me about yourself answer. If your "tell me about yourself" answer starts with, "Well, I was born and raised in," you've already lost them. How to fix it? Your first sentence should tell them exactly why you're relevant for the job. I have 7 years of experience in whatever the industry, specializing in your strength. Let's move on. Step 3, answering interview questions like a pro. Example mistake: the biggest weakness trap. If your answer is, "I work too hard," or "I'm a perfectionist," they know you're being fake.
Yes. The sacred weakness of 93% of applicants. Believability, 0.
How to fix it? Give a real weakness, but show how you've improved. Example: I used to overanalyze small details.
Genuine weakness acknowledged. Improvement logged. Credibility rising.
But I've learned to focus on the big picture and manage time better. Step 4, the number one mistake that gets you rejected. Most people go into interviews thinking about proving themselves, but hiring managers don't care about your resume. They care about how you solve their problem. Go in there, think like a hiring manager. Example: wrong answer. I'm looking for career growth and want a job that will challenge me.
Self-centered response detected. Candidate appears unaware this isn't a TED Talk.
See, that's a self-focused answer. Focus on what the company needs, not what you want. An example: I know you're expanding into blah, blah, blah area. My experience in blah, blah, blah skill can help you with that.
Target acquired. Business value alignment in progress.
Crushing an interview isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about proving you're the right fit for the company. But here's the thing, most candidates don't fail because they give bad answers. They fail because they walk straight into hidden interview traps without even realizing it.
Mission parameters updated. Candidate awareness upgraded. Red flag avoidance increasing.
That's your intel. Now go out there and crush that interview, soldier. I'll see you right here.
Status. Standing by for next briefing.